So hello guys, today I'm gonna play scary swarma anonymous. Sorry for my pronunciation. So today I will serve all the customers. So yeah, let's play. So as you know what the basic tutorials, first turn all the grill and etc. So why this takes too much time? Seriously, like, yeah. Now mind. Let's see who is the first customer. And please ignore the background music because my grandma is cooking food. So that's why ignore the background music. So let's serve the first customer. Let's take a minute. Let's run now, make sure. So we are serving all the customers without seeing in camera.
And a soda.
Yeah,
Sure, that'll be 200.
Let's serve second
Make it
customer
quick.
and we
I
are in
don't
short
have all day.
shift. So let's serve. How much time does it take, Simon?
Here you go.
So,
Took you long enough.
yeah.
Whatever.
Why I'm fixing yeah? Who is the next customer? Let's see. And I'm so nervous. Her voice. And this is my real voice, because someone was asking to make your voice real. So this is my real voice, and I have made a lot of videos
Hi,
with my
what's
real
your warm-up,
voice.
please? That's 150. Great, thanks. It already smells amazing.
This game is
Here's your order.
this game sucks.
Delicious as always.
Yeah.
One shawarma, but no money
Who
today.
is this fat man?
I can give you
And
something
why he is
better.
asking for free? But now mind, as I test the rule, we will serve all the customers. So let's serve all. So
Secrets, real ones. I know things about this place.
and I am playing this game third time. Means like I don't know what to say.
Here is your shawarma. Yes, good trade. Now your reward. Take it. Do not smell it too long.
Why we got this roto swarma? Huh? Seriously? What the hell? Which world is this, bro? What the hell is that? Please can someone tell me in comments? Because I don't know this update. So please tell me in comments. Now mind, we are getting again. Oh, I know this man is abnormal, but still I will serve her. I know, right? He is abnormal. So now I am just serve her. Cause as my rules, there's invisible man. Oh my god.
Here's your order. Thank you.
And guys, who wants my Q&A video? So
I'll definitely come
comment
back.
me
This place
if
is
you
really
want
nice.
Q&A video
Have a good
and
night.
ask me a lot of questions, so I will answer them. Yay! Achievement! What is happening here? Yay! This person is abnormal as I know her. Yeah. This really is obviously abnormal. Like, big to win, this is the smallest Q&A video. My name is Aradhya. This is a Q&A video. Yay! Just kidding. I will make for you guys. Just comment if you want and ask me a lot of questions. So I don't know. Obviously, for you guys, I can do everything for you guys.
Here's your shawarma.
Thanks, my friend's waiting outside.
And then one soda, please. Sure. Make it fresh.
I
So
hate to
vegetables
sing
and
the
fruits all
song,
day.
but
Tomatoes,
still
apples,
I will
cucumbers,
sing.
the good stuff.
Yeah.
So do not try to fool me with said shawarma. That will be 200.
Bro is knocking the door. In my only house. In my own house, I mean. Yeah. Now my. Is this person a normal? I don't know, but still I will serve. Cause
Not bad.
I will serve all the person.